This Rockville dB13 Amplifier Bundle pairs a strong mono amplifier with a complete wiring kit, giving you almost everything you need for a clean, organized car audio upgrade in one box. The amplifier delivers serious power backed by dyno testing, so bass enthusiasts can push demanding subwoofers with confidence that the output is both strong and controlled. Its high-speed power supply, efficient Class D design, and extensive protection circuitry help keep the amp running cool and stable even during long, hard-listening sessions. Adjustable crossovers, subsonic filtering, phase control, and a dedicated bass equalizer make it easy to fine-tune your subwoofer response to match your vehicle and listening taste. The included wiring kit uses thick, flexible cable and solid connections that support high current flow while resisting heat, oil, and vibration inside the vehicle. Extras like the dashboard-mounted bass remote, clear status lights, and detailed documentation make installation and day-to-day use more convenient for do-it-yourself installers.